Soution presents Spirit Seeking with Pratick.
Hi and welcome to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratick. In the previous video, we spoke about non-utilitarian love. Non-utilitarian love being the kind of love in which you do not expect anything out of the person you love, or you do not judge them for having done something or being something or doing something. Non-utilitarian love is when you find a quiet time with the other person and you just observe them and look at them for whoever they are. And when you do that, in a while, a feeling of thankfulness arises in you that you are being able to spend some time with the other person. So this was a non-utilitarian relationship with others. You have a utilitarian relationship if you are expecting or judging. But if you're not expecting anything or not judging, you have a non-utilitarian relationship with others. But there is also a need to develop a non-utilitarian relationship with oneself. We do not realize this, but from the moment we start gaining proper consciousness, we think of ourselves as a utilitarian being. You want to be useful to somebody or something or some project or some idea, which is good. To be able to contribute is good. None of that is bad. But what we are trying to do here is we are trying to take another approach of building a new kind of relationship with oneself. One where there is no deadline. One where there are no complaints. Every morning we wake up and we start thinking about how the day can be productive, how the day can be useful. You go to your workplace and then you try to finish your work there. Then maybe you meet your friends and you try to keep them happy. You try to keep a proper relationship with your friends by being useful, again, in whatever way possible. Again, none of that is bad. But because we have done that from time immemorial, we have expectations with ourselves. We think of ourselves in a utilitarian way. And we're just trying to take a new and a different approach to have a relationship with ourselves, a non-utilitarian one. So what does one need to do in order to build this non-utilitarian relationship? It's very simple. You just need to spend time with yourself. You just need to be with yourself and do whatever makes you happy. When you are with yourself, in the beginning, that relationship will still be utilitarian. You'll either be talking to yourself or you'll either be giving yourself massages or this or that. Once you practice more of that, once you start spending time with yourself, there shall come a point when you feel like you do not actually need to do anything when you're with yourself. You can just sit and do nothing and still be full of joy. In fact, that is the time when you are most full of joy. But in order to reach that point, we need to make it a habit on an everyday basis to sit at least 5 minutes, 7 minutes with ourselves. Yes, you can start with whatever works with you first. If you like to draw, so be it. If you like to make yourself up, so be it. If you like to talk to yourself, so be it. But give a certain time of the day to yourself. And I promise you, you'll start feeling more healthier, you'll start feeling more happier, you'll feel more satisfied with yourself. You'll start feeling and you'll start understanding that you are enough. Your presence is enough. And when you reach a point, you'll start being thankful for each breath that you take. Try it. Tell us if you are able to sit alone with yourself or not. If you are able to sit with yourself, tell us how you do it so that we can help others around us. And if you can't, tell us why you can't sit with yourself. If you like this video, please press the like button. And if you like whatever is happening here, please press the subscribe button. We will put out more videos like this for you in the near future. Thank you.